Top 5 Forex brokers in Kenya. If you're looking for a reputable Forex broker in Kenya to start trading, this article will help you explore the top choices. Below is a list of the best 5 Forex brokers, highly rated for their trading costs, customer support, and special features. 1. HFM Hot Forex. Diverse accounts and dedicated support. HFM is one of the most popular brokers in Kenya, especially known for its flexible accounts and professional customer support programs. Key advantages: spread starting from zero point 0.0 pips, optimizing trading profits, fast deposit and withdrawal via popular payment methods in Kenya, including M-Pesa. Special features: attractive bonus programs, such as cashback and deposit bonuses. Powerful trading platforms MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, with advanced analytical tools. Best for traders seeking flexibility in accounts, especially those trading in the Kenyan market. 2. Exness, flexible and low trading costs. Exness is a globally renowned broker known for its extremely competitive trading costs and advanced trading tools. Key advantages: spread starting from 0 point 0.0 pips on professional accounts. Unlimited leverage, offering greater flexibility in capital management. Special features: 24/7 trading across various products, including cryptocurrencies and stocks. Multilingual customer support, easily accessible for traders in Kenya. Best for traders who need low costs and fast support services, suitable for flexible trading strategies. 3. Pepperstone, for professional traders. Pepperstone is a highly reputable Forex broker, popular among professional traders in Kenya. Key advantages: ECN technology provides extremely low spreads and fast execution speeds. Leverage up to 1:400, suitable for experienced traders. Special features: advanced trading platforms like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader. Offers technical analysis and live market news. Best for professional traders who require fast order execution and powerful trading platforms. 4. XM, ideal for beginners and intermediate traders. XM is considered one of the most beginner-friendly brokers in Kenya, thanks to flexible trading accounts and reasonable costs. Key advantages: leverage up to 1:888, ideal for traders with small capital. Low spreads and no commission fees on standard accounts. Special features: free educational materials and webinars to improve trading skills. Negative balance protection policy, ensuring account safety. Best for beginners and intermediate traders who want to explore the Forex market with low costs and comprehensive learning support. 5. FBS, popular and beginner-friendly. FBS is a popular broker in Kenya with many attractive promotional programs and high-quality customer service. Key advantages: leverage up to 1:3000, allowing traders to maximize their trading capital. Send accounts for beginners, reducing risk. Special features: big promotional programs, including free $100 accounts for new traders. Fast deposit and withdrawal via M-Pesa. Convenient for traders in Kenya. Best for traders of all levels, especially beginners looking to familiarize themselves with the Forex market. Tips for Forex trading in Kenya: use demo accounts. Test your strategies before live trading to minimize risks. Manage capital and leverage. Use leverage wisely and manage risk effectively. Stay updated with market news. Continuously update yourself with information to adjust strategies accordingly. Choose a reputable broker. Prioritize brokers regulated by trusted financial authorities, with dedicated support, competitive costs, and exceptional features. Brokers like HFM, Exness, Pepperstone, XM, and FBS are top choices for traders in Kenya. Start with a demo account, improve your knowledge, and choose the right broker to advance your journey in the Forex market. Wishing you successful trading.